Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here our second video review for the Kospet Tank X1. So this is a review and unboxing of its menus and features. So if you have any questions regarding the Tank X1 fitness tracker or smart band, smartwatch, okay, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's check on the different menus and features of this fitness tracker. Okay, but before that, let's appreciate the beauty of the X1, the Tank X1. As you can see here, it has a beautiful look. So there's a physical button here, sport button, and we have a power button. I like the design of this fitness tracker. Very futuristic. It's like a, as I have said on the previous video, it looks like a wearable from a sci-fi movie. Very good design. Okay. Anyway, let's see if we do have a good menus and features for this wearable. The box says that it has an alarm clock, weather forecast, phone call reminder, calculator, so there's no Bluetooth call but just the notifications. We have heart rate measurement, calorie counting. What else? Okay, recognition of body movements, 50 days of standby time, 70 sports modes, fast syncing, smart sleep monitoring, and remote control. So let's see. Okay, so this is for the sports and this is for the power button. Okay, we already turned it on. So let's check on the menus. So touch support, as you can see here, we have the quick settings. Beautiful layout here. Very responsive screen so far, and we have a 61% battery life here. Okay, on the bottom part we have the notifications. Very responsive so far, as you can see here. On the other side we have, okay, some of the features of this smart band or the smartwatch. You can say it's smartwatch also. Okay, we have, again, let's see, calories, distance, and steps. So this is for the daily activity tracking. We also have a sleep monitoring. Please wear the band properly to measure. What's this? A heart rate. So it will not measure if you're not wearing it. So let's see. Okay, automatically it checks for our heart rate here. Okay, so it is a real-time true heart rate monitoring, okay, sensor. Okay, next, as you can see, once we remove our wrist, it stops. Okay, it's not just a random monitoring. We also have a blood oxygen monitoring, and you can add additional components here. Beautiful UI, beautiful screen. Again, the screen is 1.5. Let me check. 1.47, almost 1.5 screen display. Okay, we also have the blood pressure. Okay, we already have the weather. Okay, as you can see here, 1.47 inch AMOLED screen display. That's why it's very beautiful here. Very sharp quality screen display for the Kospet Tank X1. So we have here the sports, daily exercises. We do have a heart rate. We have a blood oxygen, sleep monitoring, blood pressure, messages, weather, alarm clock, music, breath rate, breath training, calculator, stopwatch timer, remote camera, find phone, and settings. For the settings, we have support for always on display. You do have a watch face section here, language support. What else? Time and date. Let me see. So you can change time from 24-hour to 12-hour format time. Very good. We have brightness, do not disturb mode, screen time, sport recognition, power saving, app download, that is the Kospet Fit, system menu, what's this? Okay, reboot, power off, and reset. And we have here the about section. So it is a Tank X1 fitness tracker, a wearable. Okay, we do have several watch faces here, so let's change. Let's check. Okay, let's pick one. Let's try to change it. Okay, as you can see here, we do have an analog and digital watch faces in just a single screen. Okay, on the other side, the same. For the sports, it says we have, how many sports do we have here? Let me check. We have 70 sports modes. Okay, imagine that. Okay, we have 70 sports modes. So if you are into sports, I'm pretty sure you will like this wearable. So we have outdoor running, outdoor cycling, swimming. Yes, of course, it is IP69K water rated and up to 10 ATM waterproof. Okay, 100 meters, 10 meters. Okay, I think it's 100. 5 is 50, I think. If I'm not mistaken. Okay, if my memory serves me right. Okay, badminton, tennis. We also have climbing here, hiking, basketball, soccer, basketball, baseball, volleyball, cricket, rugby. We also have indoor cycling, yoga, sit-up, treadmill, rowing, jumping jack, free training, indoor running, strength training, horse riding, and other sports here. So it is a comprehensive sports collection here in the Kospet Tank X1. Very beautiful device here. I'm impressed with the design and how responsive the screen display is, as you can see here. Very smooth UI. Easy to access. Let's check. Okay, let's go with the running here. Okay, where's the running? Indoor running. Okay, let's see. Treadmill. Again, it has automatic sports recognition. I think it can recognize running, cycling, walking. So it monitors for the beats per minute, steps, calories, distance. Okay, stop. Pause. Yes. Okay. So heart rate, daily exercises. So it has a lot of functions here. We also have push notifications. Okay. Calculator. Okay. Stopwatch, timer, remote camera, and I think we also have a remote music control. Okay, so far it is a beautiful fitness tracker from Kospet Tank or Kospet. It is one of the latest wearable in the Tank series. Okay, if you are interested, you can also check our rugged outdoor smartwatch for women, the Tank S1, and the durable, masculine looking, also futuristic Kospet Tank T2 smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable from Kospet, just drop a comment below, and of course we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.